Yo, what's up YouTube? Alright, so welcome to our next video. So this morning I decided to share one of my trades with you guys, right? Share one of my setups with you guys. Share a trade that I'm currently in. So this trade is on gold, XAU USD. That's all the pair that I trade. I've been trading gold for over a year now, and it's been a really good journey. I've learned so much. So it's the only pair that I trade, right? So right now I'm currently in a trade, so I'm going to be breaking down this trade and what I'm expecting from the trade, how I got in and everything. So my zone is here at 1925. So this is my zone. As you guys can see, there's a lot of rejections taking place at this zone. Let me mark out those rejections so you guys see what I'm talking about. So I have rejections here, rejections here. We see some rejections here as well. We see some rejections here. Alright, so that proves very strong zone. However, our zone is broken. So these two candles signifies that the zone is broken. So whenever the zone is broken, I simply just wait on a retest, or I take the trade right there, and then depending on how far I'm away from my zone. But as you guys can see, as soon as we had the break, got in on that move. So getting in on that move right now, we're currently aiming for 136 pips. Alright, we don't utilize a stop loss. That's why you see this is a plain color like this. The only way you see me exiting this trade is if it breaks structure, meaning that if we go up above this line and we get like a break and a retest above this line. So I don't utilize a stop loss in my trading strategy at all. Right, sounds crazy, but that's how I do it. So I'm gonna be marking off some levels now for you guys to show you some a brief breakdown of what my my trade management will be throughout this entire move. So this is my overall TP, but I have a couple TPs first. Within this first TP right here, so I'm gonna be marking off this here. I'm gonna be labeling it. I like to label things so I know what I exactly am working with. So this is TP1. So this is TP1, and this is my overall TP. When it reaches TP1, I'll be closing 50% of my order at TP1. So at 60 pips, I'll be closing 50% of the order and letting the rest run. So at TP1, I will set an alarm. As you guys can see, I have an alarm before I reach TP2, and then I have a next alarm at TP2. So yeah, this is the move that we're looking in right now, right? So right now I'm just gonna be patient with this move. I'm gonna just gonna be reading my book while this move plays out. It's a simple a very simple breakdown, as you guys can see. So 15-minute looks good. Also at 30 minutes, right? Or 30 minute, we just confirmed the break on our 30 minute. As soon as this candle closes the next 15 minutes, that will signify a break on our 15 minute, on our 30 minute, I mean. So signifying a break on our 30 minute, we can expect a little pullback to do that 30-minute retest before pushing down, or we can just continue pushing down depending on the volume that is currently in the market. So yeah, this is a trade that I am currently in. So I'm happily to share this trade with you guys. As you guys can see, been doing a lot of chart work with my students over the weekend, because that's something that I do offer in my course. Every single week I do breakdowns with my students, break down the chart, break down all my moves and stuff like that. So my students always getting that extra material. And if you're interested in purchasing the course, you can click the link below. Right, you can click the link below to purchase the course. We have a lot of specials and a lot of discounts, or just schedule a free consultation on the website, and we'll contact you, get in touch with you, and yeah, and give you some more information about Forex, about the course and the possibilities of Forex, as well as just giving you a basic analysis of your situation and how best Forex can assist you. So yeah, so I normally break down these moves for my students every single week. So every week we have a webinar apart from the course, the great course. So Yeah, so this is a move that I'm currently in. Yeah, very exciting move. It's Monday, it's just the start of the week, so it's a nice move that I'm looking to catch 100 plus pips in as usual. So just gonna leave the move and let the move really like play out and let the move really mature. I get this question a lot. A lot of persons are asking what broker I use. You can see the link below if you live in Jamaica and you want a really good reliable broker, fast withdrawals, right? Good deposits, a lot of different account options. You can deposit as low as $5, right? They even have demo competitions that you can do demo competitions to win like $5,000 to trade on your live account and stuff like that by just doing a demo growth competition. Yeah, so the broker that I utilize has all of that. So you guys can click the link below, right, to sign up with the broker. So a link is below for the broker, a link is below for the course, a link is also below for the free consultation. You guys can click all of that. So if you're interested in that, you can definitely take advantage of that. So I'll be checking in with you guys as soon as this moves hit TP. Hello guys, welcome to the next part of the video. So as you guys can see, our trade went right down to the T. It was a very successful trade. However, some lessons that we have to take from this trade that I'm about to go over. Patience, right? Patience is one of the biggest factor when it comes on to trading. So as you guys knew, we took the move from right here, and we saw our trade going down by around 50 pips right here. Yes, around 50 pips the most. And then we came up and we started to reject 1925. For me, the market only moves two directions. The market is either in an uptrend or a downtrend, never sideways. So when this is happening, I'm not consolidating, I'm simply maintaining my downtrend structure. So I'm not consolidating, I am maintaining my downtrend structure. When you interpret it like that, you're able to hold out your trade, because this trade took around, I would say, we entered this trade from around 4 a.m. yesterday, and it didn't hit TP until like 11 o'clock last night. So that is probably around like a 21-hour trade or 20-hour trade, right? Trades are not normally long like that, but yesterday was a bank holiday, so the volume was lacking in the market to get us down to the 1910 mark. And as you guys can see, when we came down to the 1910 mark, we made rejections to go right back up to 1925. So it was an indeed successful trade. As you guys can see, we bagged 131 pips. I did not set my TP at exactly 1910. I set my TP at 1910.5. So that's why my TP was able to be hit. So as you guys can see, it was a very, very, very good trade. And was a very patient trade, because not normally I'm in a trade for 20 hours, but you just have to hold your composure and believe in your trade and just stick to your trading plan. Because as I told you guys, my trading plan states that if I don't break above this area, I am maintaining my trade. And even when this went all the way up here, I was still maintaining my trade, because guess what, I'm still respecting structure, I'm still maintaining structure. And that's how I was able to catch 131 pips in this particular move. So if you guys enjoyed the video, let me know, and comment below, let me know if you enjoyed the video. Like the video, ensure you're hitting that subscriber button, and let me know below, guys, if you guys would like more of these trade breakdowns, these live trade breakdowns. You know we do it live, these live trade breakdowns. I can probably do like 2 a week or 1 a week. So just comment below, guys, and tell me if you like them, and then we can work with some more. So thank you guys for watching the video, and I'm out.